Today we're going to be able to convert our files into a PDF or a JPEG from Microsoft Word, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe InDesign. Hey guys, so today we're going to make our Word document into a PDF because it's a little bit easier if you have formatting issues such as font and spacing, if your objects are moving around on the page and it's not how you intended, and it's just really easy for us to print a PDF. So what we're going to do is go to File, Export, and then we're going to click PDF, and we're going to save it to our flash drive, which is good because if you come into the Graphics Center, you can use your flash drive to print. We're going to click Publish, and then as you see, it pops up in Adobe Acrobat, and then you're all set. Another way to do this is to go to File, Save As, then we're going to go back to our flash drive here, and then we'll name it. Then we're going to select PDF. Okay. Alright, and it pops up again. And there we have it. Okay, so we're going to take our Illustrator file and we're going to make it into a PDF. So we'll go to File, Export, go to our drop-down menu and select JPEG. And then we're going to save it. Save. Hit OK. And we're done with that. The next thing we're going to do is make a PDF. So we're going to go to File. Going to go back to Save As. And we're going to go to drop-down menu again, select PDF. Name it. Save, and okay, we're going to save as a PDF. You could really choose any of the Acrobats you would like, whichever works with your computer. We're going to preview it, and it pops right up. Okay, so we're going to take our Photoshop file and we're going to make it into a JPEG. So we're going to go to File, and then Save As, save it to our flash drive again, and we're going to pull the drop-down menu and select JPEG. We're going to title, and hit Enter, hit OK, and we're good with the JPEG. And we're going to go to File, Save As, put the drop-down menu again. We're going to go to Photoshop PDF. We're going to name it again, and again we're saving it in our flash drive. Let's save, and we're going to hit OK and save PDF. Okay, so we're going to take our file and we're going to make it into a JPEG. So we're going to go to File, Export. Then we're going to select our flash drive. We're going to name it and hit OK. We're going to select the resolution 300 and color CMYK, hit Export. To make a PDF, it's very similar. We're going to go to File, Export, and then we're going to go back to our flash drives, to the drop-down menu, hit Select PDF. Rename our file to PDF there, and then we'll hit Save, and hit OK, and then we're all done. So when you come into the Graphics Center and you have all your files that you want to print saved on your flash drive, you're going to want to have them organized. Right now, this flash drive doesn't really have much on it, so it appears to be organized. But if you go to other people's hard drives or flash drives, there can be many files, and it's often hard to find things. So what we want to do when we have our files is we want to make a folder. So we're going to right-click and hit New Folder, or you can go to File and select New Folder, and then we'll call it Print. You can call it anything you want. Basically, this is just an example. So then we're going to select all of our files. We're going to drag them into that folder. This way, it's a little bit easier when you bring your flash drive in for the student workers to see where your materials are located. Okay, so when you come to the Graphics Center, you're going to have all your files in a folder, and they're going to be PDFs. So sometimes it's easy if you take all your PDFs and combine them into one PDF itself with all the files under it. And you would want to do that if you're taking all the files and printing them on the same size paper. So in this case, we have our single PDFs all under this folder, and we want to print them all on 8.5 by 11 paper. So what we're going to do is go to our Adobe Acrobat. So now we're in Adobe Acrobat, and then we're going to go to File, Create, and Combine Files into a single PDF. You're going to select all of your files and drag them into the Acrobat window, and then you're going to hit Command A or Control A on a Windows, and then you'll have all of your files selected, and then you want to hit Combine Files. And as you can see, everything comes up, and we're scrolling down. All of the files are under one PDF. So when you bring your file to the Graphics Center, you're going to want to save that, and it's going to be Binder. Save it in your flash drive as Binder to Print. And that way all the workers have to do is open up that one file, and then they can print all of your stuff.